Where are you going?
I'm going to Turkey.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do.
Can I see your passport?
Here you go.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
How many bags do you have?
One bag.
Is your bag heavy?
No, it's light.
What time is your flight?
At 10 a.m.
Where is your gate?
Gate 5?
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first trip?
Yes, it is.
Do you travel often?
No, I don't.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Where is the gate?
This way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Can I sit here?
Sure.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Are you waiting?
Yes,
Are you tired?
a little.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I do.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm fine.
Is this your ticket?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from Kyrgyzstan.
Is this your first flight?
Yes,
Do you have a room?
yes, we do.
I need a room.
For how many days?
2 days.
Okay,
How much is it?
$50.
Is breakfast included?
Yes,
Can I see the room?
sure.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Ali.
Here is my passport.
Thank you.
Where do you want to go?
To the hotel?
How much is it?
$5.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
Can you help me?
Yes.
Where is the bank?
Over there.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Stop here, please.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this the hotel?
Yes,
I like the city.
me too.
Is there a restaurant here?
Yes, there is.
Is it expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Can I pay by card?
Yes,
Do you accept cash?
yes,
Is it open now?
yes.